Welcome to our channel, and in this video I will tell you about bithotel. First, please notice our disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor and this video is for informational and educational purposes only. Alright, now let's dive right into this video. And before we start, I do want to say that all the links you will need about bithotel will be down in the description. Alright, so in this video we're going to be talking about bithotel, one of the hottest new metaverses out there right now. It's well developed, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at some of the things they're doing, some NFTs, their own marketplace, but I will also show you an exclusive beta gameplay of their own metaverse that's already developed right now. So first, a little bit about bithotel. Bithotel is a social first pixel art gaming metaverse in which users like you can hang out, compete for leaderboard rewards in minigames and earn income, in-game income. And all in-game items such as characters, rooms and furniture, you can all earn them and you can buy them, have been integrated on a blockchain and all have their own unique perks, and more info a little bit later on. So you can adventure through a 2D universe. Now I'll actually show you what it looks like in-game, but also when you take a look at all the rooms, because as you can see, it's based on a huge flat with all rooms and different floors. So first, let's check out some of their NFTs. If you click NFTs on the left menu right here, it will bring you to a page where you can see the character NFTs and the room NFTs, and especially the room NFTs right now are pretty hot. So here you can actually see the enormous hotel and all the floors. Right now they have a total of 45 floors, and some of them are actually open already. You can apply now, as you can see, but if we scroll down, you can also see some of the partners they are working with right now, including Binance and other great partners such as LunaPad and GameStation. If we go down to the lower floors, the 1 till 5, we can actually take a look at the floors right now. Alright, so now we have arrived on the 5th floor of the hotel. And as I said, in total they have 45 floors and a lot have yet still to be opened. And here you can already see that a lot of rooms in the 5th floor have already been sold. You can see their owners right here. You can see the location within the hotel. You can see how many tiles the room has, but also the room number and the floor. And something I think is really cool is that if you actually go around the floor, you can actually see that some people, some of the owners of certain rooms have customized their own rooms with a certain picture. So it's really your room and you can customize the layout of the room according to how you like, with all the creativity in mind. So I totally understand if you want to check it out right now already. So I do want to remind you once more that all the links you will need for bithotel will be down in the description. Apart from the rooms here at Get NFTs, you can also check out some of the characters. The main utility behind the characters is that they actually allow you to earn more in-game currency by equipping a character of a certain rarity. And apart from that, obviously, it's also, they have great designs, as you can see. They're all based on certain memes, but also some things just known throughout the meme world and throughout the crypto world. So apart from that you look amazing in-game, you can also earn some more money by having specific character rarities. And you have to purchase them in BTH, which is the bithotel currency. As you can see, you can also see the quantity, and you can already see right now that a lot have been sold already. So bithotel also has their own NFT marketplace where you can buy and sell characters, rooms, but also furniture. And furniture you can use within your own room. So you can also find that on the left menu right here at marketplace. And here you can filter through characters, rooms and furniture. But you can already see that a lot is being done on the marketplace already. You can buy characters here, a lot of great and different furniture of different rarities, like this super rare, I think is awesome, a tourmaline dragon statue. It will definitely be an attraction if you have that in your room. But apart from that, as I said, you can also pick up characters here. So you don't necessarily have to get them at the Get NFT section. But altogether, it's a great sign that this marketplace is already being used a lot. And it's only going to get more from here. Alright, so now let's actually get into the hotel and test out the beta version. Alright, welcome back everybody. And right now we are actually in the bithotel itself. You can actually get a beta code. You need a beta code to actually get into the hotel. You can find out all you want about that on their socials, and all the links, once again, are down in the description. But now let's actually check it out. As you can see, it's fully developed. It looks great, I think. It reminds me of some old retro games I used to play back in the day. So to me, it looks absolutely amazing. But let's check out some of the features they have already. First thing you can see is that you actually have the in-game tokens, which you can earn. You can earn real money right now. And the BTH token is still a very low market cap gem, I think at least. And you can find all about that also on CoinMarketCap, for example. The abbreviation is BTH. You can also right here click Connect Wallet. Allows you to connect your MetaMask wallet right now. I'm not going to do that for now, but I would definitely recommend you to do that. As I said, you can purchase the voice chat if you would like to, but you can also type messages right here like this. Apart from that, you can see the marketplace. Right now the marketplace, the same as we saw on their website, actually you can buy different kind of characters. But something I think is very cool too is you can also buy all sorts of furniture right here, like bithotel land, but also some cool paintings, more paintings even. And I really like the dragons personally, so yeah, I was looking for that one. Apart from that, you can also buy rooms, and from here you can also get to your rooms if you would like that. And from here soon you will also be able to get to your rooms using the elevator. So that's the marketplace. There you can buy characters, avatars, furniture and room and land. But they also right now have mini games, and as you can see, you can actually earn money with those mini games. And they have Crypto Bomber, again reminding me of some games back in the days. I think it's very cool to actually get those mini games in a sort of a hotel vibe as well. They also have leaderboards right there, as you can see, the global leaderboards, and if you actually rank very high in those leaderboards, again, you can earn bucks. You can earn more than this even. So definitely a great incentive to also play those mini games. So right now, as I said, right here in the lobby, for example, you can connect with other people talking either in text or in voice chat. But I also wanted to show you a quick sneak peek of that mini game because right now that's the best way to actually earn bucks in game. So if you click play, you can see that the matchmaking starts. We're just going to wait for some players right now. Alright, so as you can see, matchmaking has completed, and right now I'm in the game. You might actually recognize it, like right there, we are the top right. I'm just going to play the game for a little bit. You can see you can place bombs, you can also find collectibles in the game to actually increase your strength in the game. And the main goal is obviously to eliminate the other players. So I'm quickly going to try to win this game. I'll see you all soon. I'm not going to show you the whole gameplay. But I've played a couple of games already, and I definitely think it's great and fun to play. And this is only the first mini game they have, alright? So there's still a lot of development to come in the future. I think that is definitely going to be amazing. So I'll see you all soon. Alright, unfortunately I lost. Someone was too smart for me. But definitely great fun to play. So that is it. And by actually winning, you can again climb those leaderboards, earn more tokens in game, and earn some real money by playing bithotel. So that was the video. We checked out their website, but we also checked out their exclusive beta on how you can actually play their game, mini games, leaderboards. I would definitely recommend you to check out the links down in the description. But for now, if you found this video helpful, please make sure to add a like and add comments about questions I might have missed, and subscribe to our channel.